त्रास मला स्लिप डिस्क हा त्रास झाला आणि मला जेव्हा खुर्चीवर किंवा कुठे बसताना उठताना प्रचंड त्रास होतो आणि तो त्रास आता माझ्या हळूहळू मांडीत उतरला आहे आणि माझ्या उजव्या बाजूची मांडी खालच्या बाजूने खूप दुखते आणि जर कंटिन्यू स्टँडिंग थोडा वेळ उभं राहिलो तर बारीकशा मुंग्या माझ्या उजव्या पायात येत आहेत.
Mr. Palkar came to us with severe low back pain and a radiating pain, especially along the right foot. As we can see here, there is a large disc prolapse between L4 and L5 vertebra, and actually a huge portion of the nucleus has herniated in the spinal canal, and you can see these thin blackish structures which are actually nerves, and they are getting severely compressed because of this disc prolapse. That is why he is getting very severe pain in his lower back and also pain in the right buttock, which is going down along the thigh and in the calf. He is not able to perform his daily duties, and his normal life pattern has become impossible because of this particular disc herniation. Now this pain is there for a long time, nearly 3 to 4 years, and he has been bearing it, and he was extremely afraid of open surgery. But today we are going to take this large disc out with the help of an endoscope, which is called as posterolateral endoscopic surgery, also called as PELD. Now we have to remember that PELD is different from midline or paramedian posterior endoscopy, in which the paravertebral muscles are anyway disturbed. In PELD, we are going to go in the disc obliquely, directly, and remove this disc herniation. As you can see in these transverse cuts, this is the part of the disc which is herniated, and especially in this cut you will see that the outgoing nerve is compressed. On this side, this canal is open, as you can appreciate, and the nerve is going out. But on this side, because of this disc herniation or prolapsed disc, this canal is totally closed. So our aim is to go directly posterolaterally at this level where there is disc herniation and correct the situation by taking away the prolapsed fragment. The aim of this intervention, that is PELD, posterolateral endoscopy, is to make him pain-free and able to carry out his daily activities starting immediately. That is, we expect him to walk about 20 to 30 minutes after the surgery, and he can be discharged in few hours, and he can start with his normal work in coming 1 or 2 days. And that is the advantage of endoscopic disc surgery. This needle here, which is exactly in the L4-5 space there, you can see on the left side, and it is in the posteriormost part of the disc. If you see on the right-sided image, you can see that the needle has passed almost up to the midline of the disc, whereas this is in the posterior 1/3 of the disc. Now this is the perfect positioning of the needle. Now this is the dilator going over the guide wire. Over the dilator we are passing this sheath. This sheath is something like this, and it is a conduit for the scope to be passed into the disc space out the dilator, so that this is the space through which we can pass the scope. Passing the scope through this sheath, as you can see that there is continuous irrigation going on, which comes out through this channel, which is kept for returning fluid. Actually, you can see this was a fragment actually. Again, this is the big fragment which was pressing on the nerve. It's a huge fragment actually.
काय
आता काही पेन नाही आहे ना
नाही, नाही.
काढतो ना अजिबात काही कळत नाही आहे ना
नाही ना अजिबात नाही.
You see, this is a big fragment. Actually, you can see. You can see as I press, you can see it is pulsating very freely. This was the area of the disc prolapse. This actually was the area of the disc prolapse, and you can see that the dura is pulsating very freely here. You can see, right?
Yes.
पूर्ण बंद झालं दुखणं. Great. जरा तुझं फूट मूव कर. दोन्ही हां खाली वर कर. नाही नाही फक्त फूट अँकल मध्ये. हां कर खाली वर. हां व्हेरी गुड. कर परत. सर्जरी on Mr. Palekar, and the disc which was here, which we had seen before starting the surgery, you can see a huge disc prolapse here, and this is the fragment which we removed exactly from this area. So now this fragment of the disc which was causing severe compression on the nerves is out. Pain because of this. You see this? No wonder na, that you are getting such severe pain.
नाही, मला आता सांगतोय ना तुम्हाला
हां
की मला मांडी दुखायचं बंदच झालं.
बंद
आणि
झालं.
मला
हा
उठायचं
फ्रॅगमेंट निघाले ते बंद झालं.
मे बी.
His SLR was positive before. ढिला सोड एकदा. घाबरू नको काय होणार नाही. Now you can see सरळ करणं पाय. Now you can see there is no pain. दुखतंय आता काय? There is no pain.
नो पेन.
Sudhir was operated about 20 minutes ago for excision of the L4-5 disc, and before surgery he had severe pain in his right leg. Correct?
Correct.
Now do you have pain now?
No.
There is no pain.
There is
And you were not able to walk properly
Yeah, I
before.
can, now I can able to.
Yeah, just let's see how you can walk.
नाही, फरक पोस्चरियर फरक पडला.
Yeah, it is just 20 minutes after surgery and he is able to walk. You can see it very clearly.
आता 20 मिनिट अगोदर माझं ऑपरेशन झालं. आता आय एम फिलिंग बेटर. आय एम ओके. आता मी चालू शकतो. आय कॅन मूव माय लेग. नो प्रॉब्लेम ॲट ऑल. आय कॅन वॉक इझिली. आय एम comfortable with the walk. There is no paining in my leg.